What's up you guys, it's Techrodd, and in this tutorial I'll be explaining on how to render in After Effects, either in CS4, CS5 and CS6. Now, how to do this is very easy, and it's also the best quality. So the first thing you gotta do is go to Google and search QuickTime. Yeah, so if you don't have QuickTime, you need to be sure you download QuickTime from the apple.com. So when I'm downloading it, just don't check that. Fill in your email address. Choose your location. It might be different for yours. And click download now. And to download, when it's download, install it. It's easy, very easy. Now, when it's installed, open up After Effects again and open up your project you want to render out. So over here we have my own project. I just made an intro in After Effects. It's really cool. And what I actually want to do is render it out now in the best quality. So what I'll be doing is, first off, I'm going to select the area over here with the this gray bar over here, and we'll be selecting the part we want to render out. As you can see over here, that's the one I want to render out. And when selected, go to composition over here and choose add to render queue or Ctrl M. It's about preferences if you use the keyboard a lot. Alright, so over here we see best settings. Click that and make sure it's on best over here. The resolution of full, and yeah, those should be by default, so don't have to change anything. Over here you see output model, and as you can see it's lossless. Click on that, and over here you see format, it's AVI. It should be QuickTime, so we're going to change that to QuickTime over here, and that should be none. Video output should be selected, should be by default. The format options, click that, should be animation, and also quality on 100. Don't select those. Press OK, and if you want to render out in for example, your project is full HD, but you want to render out in just HD, you can select this one over here. Or if you want to render out in full HD from normal HD, you can select that as well. But we won't be doing that because it's not necessary. And as well, choose over here audio output. It should be great quality by default, 60 bits and 48,000 kilohertz stereo, and that should be uncompressed. And when is that done, just click OK. Now the problem is you gotta do that every time. But I found a fix for that, and it's very easy. When you click on here the arrow, if you use an arrow next to output model, click on that and choose over here make template. And setting name, just call it HD. Yeah, over you can see a nice view what your settings are, and just press OK. And we can see HD2. And every time you want to render it, you can see over here, press arrow, drag it, and you see here HD2. And settings should be the same as the last one, and it's that easy. Before rendering, choose over here output 2, and you can choose where to save it. For example, I want to save it over here, and yeah, it's a .mov file. It's QuickTime, and just render it out, and it should be rendering. That easy. Can you hear the dinging sound? That means it's finished. And then go to our file, which is over here. We can see that the file is over 100 megabytes, and that's just a problem with After Effects and QuickTime. Every time you render it out, it's great quality, but the the file is huge, very huge. And what I'd like to do is render it out again in Vegas Pro. Over here you can see the quality is perfect. And yeah, as I said before, I want to re-render it actually in Vegas. So I have my great file. It's not necessary, just for After Effects, already done with it, but I like to render it in Vegas. If you don't know how to render it in Vegas, I suggest searching the tutorial depending on which Vegas Pro you have, which version you have. And yeah, just re-render it out, and the file should be like 10 megabytes or something. It's that easy. Just a second till it's rendered. 90, yeah, 100%. You can close it down, and then you can delete this file. If it's a big file, you can just delete it, and you have your re-rendered one over here. And the quality should be the same, because Vegas, your settings are great for Vegas. Alright, I think that's about it. Also, make sure your composition settings are HDV slash HDTV 720.29.97. Yeah, that's one. This one over here. It should be HD, or you can choose Full HD. It's all about the preferences. And yeah, once that's done, just render it out and re-render it in Vegas. Not necessary, but most recommend. And yeah, thank you for watching.